So, good morning everyone. My name is Arnilo A. Buyo. I'm from ESHM 1 Block B. So today, I will discuss to you about the topic food waste causes and how to prevent it. Have you ever stopped to think about how much perfectly good food we throw away each day? And while others are hungry while going to their bed. So first, food waste is one of the most pressing yet overlooking challenges of our time. Every year, millions tons of foods are end up to landfills, releasing harmful greenhouse gases and wasting the precious resources that we use to produce them. From parks to dining tables, food is a loss at every stage. During harvesting, processing, distribution, and consumption, this issue does not only affect the environment, but also it affects the community, the environment, the society, and the economy. Behind every basic meal lies wasted labor, energy, and hope. The paradox of abundance and scarcity continues to grow as our world struggles to feed a rising population. According to studies, about 1/3 of all food produced globally is wasted. That means, while one part of the world enjoys plenty, the other part of the world is suffering and battling the hunger by daily lives. By understanding this problem, we can begin to see the food waste is not merely about leftovers. It's about values, responsibility, and awareness that fight against food waste. It begins with recognizing that every morsel counts and each of us has a role to play. We've all had moments where we bought more groceries than we needed. Ate too much for dinner or left food forgotten in the refrigerator until it's spoiled. These small, everyday scenarios wasted in restaurants, often discard untouched servings, supermarkets, throw away slightly bruised goods, and households. Ignore ugly vegetables that are still perfectly edible. Imagine how much we could save if we learn to plan our meals carefully, store, embrace imperfections for professionals like us who juggle busy schedules. It's easy to overlook what's in our pantry or cafeteria space. But reducing food waste doesn't demand grand gestures. It starts with mindfulness, sharing excess food, supporting local food drives, and encouraging sustainable practices in workplaces that make a real difference. It's not only about saving money, but also about cultivating empathy and respect for the resources that sustain us by taking small, consistent steps. We become part of a global movement toward responsibility and care. As we reflect on the impact of food waste, let us remember that change begins with awareness and intentions. Every bite we save today creates a ripple of hope for tomorrow. Reducing food waste is not just an environmental action, it's a moral and social commitment. It reminds us to appreciate that we have and to share what we can also. And it reminds us that we must thankful for what privilege gives to us. Because in the end,
We all people choose to honor the farmers, the workers, and the earth itself. Together, we can transform this full wisdom to create peace and love to our fellow people. And access into empathy, imagine a community where every place tells a story of gratitude rather than neglect. The vision begins here, with us in the small choices we make each day. So as you leave this room, ask yourself, how will you leave your plate matter? Because in the end, reducing food waste is not just about saving food, it's about saving the future. So, if you ask yourself, why would you save your food? If I will ask to someone, I will answer it. I will save the food every day because not all people has the privilege to eat 3 times a day, and the other people can eat moderately, and sometimes just one meal a day. So it is important to us that we will save our food daily. Thank you.